Good afternoon, we are Panel Intel. I am Yvonne, I'm the Managing Director. This is Ben, he's the Creative Director. Ali is our Technical Manager and Robbie is our Sales Manager. I'll just give you some quick leaflets to look at the product. We are a company who manufactures panels. One of these panels is called Trespa. It is a high-pressured compact laminate panel for decorative technologies for exterior and interior cladding. It is made from 70% wood fibres, so it is very sustainable and made of natural sources such as paper and wood chips. And these materials are originate from sustainable forests, which comply with the endorsement of forest certification and Forestry Stewardship Council. We have a sustainability policy to do no harm, do good, and do better, meaning minimise environmental impact from any of our products, help our customers to improve their sustainability position, and to also incorporate sustainability into new business opportunities. The panels undergo a electron beam curing technology. This means that the panels are completely weather resistant, meaning sun, rain, and even acid rain will not tarnish our panels. They're also very solid and sturdy, waterproof and colour stable, and very easy to clean with low maintenance. They also incorporate a fire safety system so that there is a system within it so that they will not get tarnished if there is a fire. Our company complies with a product training system, as the safety of our staff is really important to us. Both installers and designers work with architects and are trained so that every installation is made at its best. We also have a design support team to work with architects and designers to make the best out of the design for the facades of their building. These all take place in design centres, which we have 2 of in the world, one in New York and one in Barcelona. And we also have an international customers support service to work with customers around the world. Our product has a limitless amount of design opportunities to create stunning facades for any piece of architecture. There's a wide variety of colours, types, textures and thicknesses of our material. And our material is also available as an insulator panel. I'll just pass you on now to Ben to describe to you more about the design of the panels.
Hi, I'm Ben, I'm the Creative Manager of Trespa. From the design point of view, we have 116 colours available for the panels, 64 which are basic colours, and we have 15 which are metallics, 23 wood effects and 11 natural effects for the panels. We have 4 different thicknesses we can get, 6mm, 8mm, 10mm and 13mm. We can get them in 4 different finishes, which are satin, rock, gloss and matte, sorry. So there's different, some of these are only available in certain finishes, so they're different finishes. And we can have them in either a single colour, so they've got a colour on the front and then just plain on the back. We can have them in double, so we've got a colour on the front, so they're on the exterior, and then white on the background. And then we've got duo, which is different colour on the back and front, so they can be viewed from either side. I'll now pass you on to Ali, who is our Technical Director.
Hi, our company provides technical solutions with appropriate fixing systems. These fixing systems depend on the customer choices, invisible and visible fixing systems. These are the fixing types that we do. Also, it depending on the customer's choice, if they want the panels curved and different shapes like these, we have a different fixing type, which is the System 700 special fixing. So we can still do those invisible fixing, so that you can't see the screws from the outside, and they're only fixed on the inside. And our company has the technology to provide insulated panels as a component of ventilated facades. Ventilated facade system is a complete facade solution and entails the fixing of panels on a subframe which is fixed to the structural facade. The Trespa insulated panels improve indoors comfort, positive contribution to environment facades, eliminates moisture problems from condensation and drainage through ventilation. The other advantages are the building breathes through ventilation and continuous airflow between cladding panels. The wind-driven airflow, due to different air pressures around the building and stuck effect, the vertical airflow by different density due to temperature difference with height. Also, as the one before, the fire safety facilities. If facade cladding covers, the facade cladding covers several stories. There is a risk of fine propagating via the cavity. We prevent this by installing a horizontal fire break assembly, which is that you can see on the drawing here, and also it burns 100 minutes before it collapses.
Just hand you a few samples out of the product. So those are the different types you can get.
Yeah, that's the technical part, and I'm passing it on to Robbie.
Okay, so we provide a premium cladding product. We mainly specialise in sort of high-end residential as well as commercial units. So as Yvonne said earlier, we have 2 design centres, one in Barcelona and one in New York, as well as 12 offices worldwide. Our headquarters are based in the Netherlands, and some of the projects that we have recently finished. So this is sort of high-end residential like building, and it's based in London. And also this one, which is actually in Canterbury, is a preschool that's just literally just finished, and they use a variety of different colours in their cladding panels. The product itself has a 10-year warranty, and we mainly have sort of private clients that work for sort of residential units. That's more where it sways to, but that's it.
I'll just hand you all our business cards.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time. Just open the floor to any questions.
Thank you. What is the school in Canterbury?
This school?
Yep.
I think it's St Augustine's, which is near Sainsbury's.
Oh.
What does the 13mm thick panel do that the 6mm one doesn't?
The sizing of the panel just depends on the designers. There's no real difference between the properties, but it's working with the architects and designers and figuring out what type of facade that they want to create that we provide with
And
different sizes for.
And also it depends on the sizes of the panels they want, because
But just looking at those, you've got the same thicknesses on the small panels as on the big panels. I just wondered why someone would pay for a thicker one if they all look the the same thing?
Yeah, just as they discussed that with the architect, basically it depends on the choice.
Maintenance, you said 10-year warranty. If you're using one of the lighter colours, how on the on the outside of the building, what about sort of it getting dirty? Is it sort of resistant to?
They are clean. They are self-cleaning. They're they've got a certain thing over the top of it which automatically drops off, and it's self-cleaning, so they don't fade either.
Also, they are very easy to clean, so I imagine if it needed cleaning, just like jet wash would work perfectly.
Where are the products actually made?
They're actually made in where the headquarters are in the Netherlands.
And in other various locations. I think there's another manufacturing base in China and in Germany as well.
I think they would need a few.
Yeah.
They're stocked by builders merchants, are they, or are they all special orders?
They're all special orders. They are batch produced, but for buildings that are over 200 metres squared footprint, they can go through a design process where specialised, customised panels can be made for the clients.
If it is a specialised design, what would the lead-in time be for that?
That completely depends on how complicated the design is, because the panels can be curved within themselves and coloured differently. There's a multitude of